Topping the news tonight, the island of Bimini will be placed on a 2-week lockdown starting next week Monday. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis made the announcement this afternoon, attributing the decision to health officials due to the increase in positive cases there. The Prime Minister maintains the lockdown is necessary because right now Bimini has the second highest number of cases in the country. ILTV's Munnings has more.
The lockdown measure will be strictly enforced in order to save lives and to protect the general health of all those on Bimini.
Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis announcing Thursday that a 2-week lockdown will begin in Bimini at 9 p.m. on Monday, May 18th until midnight on Saturday, May 30th. The Prime Minister said this date will be extended to 14 days when Parliament reconvenes. The decision comes after health officials confirmed 2 positive COVID-19 cases on Bimini Thursday, pushing the total count there to 13.
A total of 102 residents have been swabbed for COVID-19. Outside of New Providence, Bimini, with a population of approximately 2,000, have the largest number of recorded cases in the Bahamas. The number of confirmed cases is expected to increase if much of the population continues to fail to practice the recommendations for physical distancing, wearing protective face coverings, and frequent and thorough hand washing.
The Prime Minister released the Emergency Powers COVID-19 Bimini Lockdown Order 2020 Thursday. The document specifies that only essential workers will be allowed outside, including healthcare professionals, officers of the Royal Bahamas Police and Defense Forces, and the island administrator. The order also states that no visitor on any yacht or private boat shall be permitted to enter or disembark from Bimini during the lockdown period.
Had it not been for the weather that we're experiencing now, the lockdown would have occurred even sooner. And I ask and I urge all Biminites to initiate all disciplinary measures possible and practice social distancing even before the lockdown commences. I know that a measure like this even further disrupts daily life and economic activity. But we are now in an emergency situation.
Health officials took a proactive approach to minimizing the spread of the virus on Bimini when members of the Ministry of Health's surveillance team conducted several initiatives between April 29th and May 2nd.
The team provided educational support for medical personnel, assisted with identifying contacts of confirmed cases, visited the government quarantine facility, helped to try to enforce infection prevention and control strategies. They conducted testing and hosted a virtual town hall meeting. On that visit, 37 people were swabbed for COVID-19 and 3 tested positive.